Hey, it's Jeff, parts manager at Trev Deeley Motorcycles, and it's time for part of the week. And this week, let's see here. Oh, it's a big one. It's a big box. I got a big box. There it is. Part of the week, we're done. So I've been talking about the last few weeks about the new bikes and about the 2024 Touring and some of the differences in it and the new parts for them. Well, one of the things that Harley-Davidson did with these new bikes is, in the past, Harley-Davidson had multiple models. So you'd have the Road Glide, the Road Glide Special, the Road Glide ST, the CVO Road Glide, the Road Glide Limited. Now, Harley-Davidson has pared that down and there's a Road Glide. And some of those other bikes, now they do make the CVOs, but some of those other bikes don't exist, like the Special. And over the years, the trim of the Special and the different bikes changed, and sometimes it was kind of confusing. So now what Harley has is packages. So you can get a Special package, you can get an ST package, you can get a long haul package, and those kind of will make those differentiations. These packages as well, right now, are only available in dealership, so you can't order these online. The one that I have here, this big box that we're going to open up, is the Special package. So one thing to have, is important to have, is your knife. This is a Harley-Davidson knife. Let's open up the box and get in and see what you get inside the Special package. Now inside this box is lots of boxes. Let's open up this one here quickly. We're gonna open them all up so you can see what you're getting in here and talk about each part here quickly. The first thing that we have here is, well, look at that. Isn't this a cool part? It's the Extreme Wedge Screaming Eagle air cleaner that last week was the part of the week. So that's a pretty good start to the Special package. Also included in the Special package is seating, so it's going to come with seating as well. This is the passenger pillion, but it does come with the rider seat as well, which should be this big box here. All right. So you're getting here is a low profile touring seat. So this is a bit more stylish than the stock seat that you get on here, and you get the matching passenger pillion with it. The other parts of this is, we're going to open up here, is some trim that also is included with it. So you do get some pegs in it. These ones too, a few weeks ago, I featured the Adversary grip collection. So if you're thinking about upgrading those grips, these come with the Adversary pegs. So you do have passenger pegs. You're also going to get with it the floorboards, and it also has in it, I believe here, the mounts that come with it. And the nice thing too is that you're getting hardware with these ones in them. Oh, very nice. So I did mention the grips. It is coming with the grips as well. And these ones, as you see the cable coming out of them, are the heated ones, yes. Heated grips, the Adversary collection, which is a very nice touch to have with your bike. In it is the tuner. So you did get the Extreme Wedge air filter performance. It also comes with a tuner in the box. This is the brand new tuner, so these are ones that you can Bluetooth to your phone. It doesn't come with pipes though, so you'd probably want to pair this up with a set of Screaming Eagle slip-ons, so you do get those performance boosts, but you can decide the right ones that you want to add on to it. Here, the last one, I did already mention it. It does come with the floorboards, so let's have a quick look at those. You can check those out, and that's going to bring up the style. So this Special package is a bit about the style. You're getting the heated grips, you're getting the passenger pegs, you're getting these Adversary boards with it, and then you're starting to get into the performance game. You're getting the Extreme Wedge air filter, you're getting the tuner with it, and the only thing really you're gonna need to add if you decide to put this collection on you're gonna decide on the slip-ons. What slip-ons are you adding to your bike? Going with the Screaming Eagle ones? Maybe you'll go aftermarket. We do highly recommend though, sticking with the Screaming Eagle ones to get those performance boosts. And if you're getting into that new bike, it's also gonna keep your warranty and add it to your extended warranty. So this is a great collection to get your customization journey started with your new 2024 touring bike.